Hello YouTube guys, this is Susie from GoGoKidsGame.com. Nice to see you again. Today I want to introduce the Adidas Easy 350. Yeah, the Monroe color. Okay, now let me show you the whole look. The top of the shoe, the side, the heel. Okay, let me show you more details. As for the top of the shoe, you can see the shape is so good. And this is the stitch. You see, the line is so good, have good quality. As move to the shoelace, you can see it's so good, so strong. As for this part, yeah, you can see the whole shape is so good, so perfect. Okay, move to the heel of the shoes. You can see the line is so strong, stressed so good. As for the protect, yeah, it's so good. Okay, about this part, yeah, that has the letter of YJO. Yeah, it means easy. Okay, now let me show you the inside. This is the size label. Can you see it? Okay, US size 10. And now let me put out the shoe pack. You can see it's so clean, so good. And that has the Adidas Easy and its logo. You can see it's so soft. When you wear the shoes, may feel comfortable. As for the bottom of the shoes, yeah, the whole color is Monroe and white. And this part you can see the Adidas and its logo. Yeah, this is the boost. Yeah, you can see the bottom is so soft but very strong. Yes. As for the other one, you can see this part is different from the another one that has the Adidas logo. Okay, if you want to buy these shoes, please visit to my website GoGoKidsGame.com. See you in the next video. Thank you.